Hey, what's up guys, Akramuddi here. Today we're going to do an awesome video. Here, all you need is a water, warm water, pan, a plate or something that holds it, and it needs some diapers. Okay, so when you open a diaper like this, just like this, so let's get this thing out of the way bit. Here. So open it here, put it inside out, like this. It was like this, so just put it like this. Then you just cut a hole. I'll just cut a hole. Cut a hole in the nut part. Cut the nut part to be like this. Throw it away. Anything, do whatever you want. Then you see some pink cotton or paper. Take out the paper. Okay. So then you see cotton. Also take that thing off. Just a sec. I'll just take the cotton and stuff. You have something like this cotton. Then the cotton part, this cotton part, you see it, cotton, take it into half, put it into half, rip it into half. I'm not sure how. This will take time for a while. Okay. I'm not able to grip it. As you can see, the birds sing, like they're chirping. And here, you see some stuff like this. I know you can't see it because it's funny. And that's why the pan is here. You're gonna take all the powder. Okay, like this. Just take all the powder. Here, you can see. See any like dots stuff like that? Yeah, take it. Take it all off and put it in the pan. I'm gonna open this a bit more. Don't take the flying stuff. Just take the cottony thing. For an example, see this cotton part? Yeah, that's what you need. The cotton stuff. The cotton stuff, okay? You need like more and more. So you can do it. You can do 2 diapers for extra snow. You just take it, put it all in. Okay, so I put it all in, and let's see. Let me just move the camera. This is what I got. Okay. So I showed you. Then put it somewhere like here. Let me just check. Check if there's more. Yeah. And guys, if cotton falls out, just take it off. Because the cotton, we don't need it. It will just ruin the experiment. So get it all in the powder. See, this is what we got. Okay, then just put some water like this. Then just mix the water, put it in here, and just keep mixing. Then you get your fake snow. You can put a prank on your friend, you can see. Yeah. That was my phone. Okay, so now you got the fake snow. It's right here. Some fake snow. Okay guys, so you can just put a prank on your friend or show your teacher or someone, like your father. Yeah, I really impressed my father. Just put a little bit more water, make it look much snow in front. Okay, so guys, so that was it on the experiment today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll go for 50 likes, which is here. I'm gonna put in the screen. I'm gonna edit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go for 50 likes, which I'll put in the screen, which I said. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I get more subscribers on my account, on my website, Gaming Madness. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.